exercises number 3, mortgage worksheet. So enter the following data in column A for mortgage calculation table. Until house price, down payment, amount borrowed, monthly payments, total amounts paid, breakdown of payment, payment period, principal paid, interest paid. And then on column E, enter following data: interest rate, years, payment periods. Adjust the size of column A at rows and columns, and then enter this data on letter E, terms of loan, and then months. Highlight mortgage calculation table and then click the bold button so it will be changed as bold. The same with breakdown of payment and then terms of loans. Cells B5 to B9, change the format into currency. And then in B14 and B15, change it as number, for you will input number on it. So enter the amount using in my cell. And then input the following percentage on E column for the interest rate. Enter the formula in B8 to compute for the monthly payments. Enter the formula in B9 for the total amount paid. And then the same formula in B14 for the computation of principal paid. For the B15, copy also the same formula to compute for the interest paid. Now you can try to change the values on cells B4 to B5, and if it changes, it means that your formula is correct. Just like in the same given example. Now try to change the percentage if it will change the payment period and the total of amount you will pay for.